To download and install the Canon PIXMA TS304 driver on Windows, follow the steps below. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Canon TS304 printer driver and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the Canon official website. On the product page, click on the drivers tab. Scroll down and find the driver section. Click on the select button next to the driver you want to download. Click on the download button. The driver will start downloading. Save the file to a location on your computer. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. The driver installation should automatically recognize the connected printer and complete the setup. You can now use your Canon PIXMA TS304 printer on your Windows computer.